Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a little pack with me or unpacking of my Kerikit Lennox in the black. Now I have done a previous video, a big review and everything on this style bag, but in the sand color, and I will pop the card up above and in the description below, the link, so you guys can check that out. So I talk about all the features, what I think about the bag, how I like wearing it, things like that. It's coming up to Christmas, so I'm hit the mall with my two girls today, and because sometimes I just like to take a handbag style diaper bag. Being summer, I find things on my back, no matter if they're airy kind of designed or not with the backing, I always get hot. And it's a very hot day today, so I did take the Lennox with me instead, and it just suited the outfit that I'm wearing. So this is a beautiful hobo style, messenger style diaper bag by Kerikit. It is a full grain leather bag. It does come with a really nice big wet bag or kind of storage bag and a change pad inside of there. And it also comes with a really comfortable messenger strap. I kind of wish I brought this with me today because I was at the mall for quite a while with my girls and I was walking everywhere. Clara is no longer in a stroller, so she just walks with me, so I was carrying this the entire time. And although it's very comfortable, of course, after a while it started to get a little heavy. So, but this is a very comfortable messenger strap, so if you are planning on having this bag out for a long while, I suggest you bring this just as a backup, which I should have done. Apologize about the cicadas if you hear them in the background. In Australia right now we have a huge cicada thing going on, and I'm not closing the windows because it's super hot. So this is packed up for a 3-year-old, almost 3-year-old, and a 5-year-old, and myself. I am a very minimal packer. I will disclose that now in case you're new to my channel, and I don't take very much. So there are 2 pockets on the outside here, and I'm not sure why other people have said that these aren't very big pockets, because I actually think they're quite big. Now, if you have the bag packed, stuffed full, it is a little harder to get into these pockets, but I mean, it's the size of, like, my hand's like this inside there, right? So it's the size of my hand, and it does come out quite a bit, so you can fit a lot of things in there. I just don't have anything in this particular pocket, but in this one, I do have a small set piece with my lipstick and stuff in there. That's just like where I like to put that. There are bottle pockets on each side, and these bottle pockets are insulated, and they're awesome because they do stretch out. You can fit Fontainers, any type of bottle in there, super easy. Contigo bottles, anything like that. And they are quite deep, so they do kind of cover up your bottle. I just like to keep my bottles on the inside of this bag just because of the look. I just think it looks more of like a really fancy, nice handbag. In this pocket, I usually have my keys, but I just don't have those. They're downstairs right now. And then I do use this pocket for my phone. I have an iPhone 10, and this is the best spot for my phone. When this is on my shoulder, it's very easy to get my phone in and out of here. I don't have to worry about putting it in my pocket or anything, especially because it's on my shoulder. So that's perfect spot for that. Now in the back of the bag here is a nice pocket. It goes all the way down to, well, almost about 3/4, about to here. And I actually put my Kerikit Tilly wallet in here. Don't worry, there's a review coming for this. I just have to sneak it in between on my children because it is school holidays. But this wallet does fit really well in here. And there is a little bit of room, so you might be able to get a bigger wallet in there. But this is basically, looks like it's made to go into this pocket. And it's just perfect back there. I did want to mention before I go into the center that the tassel on this is just so pretty, and it's all leather. You do get a bag tag, which you can choose to get embossed if you like. I just have S Love. This was my anniversary present to myself because it was our anniversary on the 15th of December, and a little Kerikit tag here too. So I just love the outside, how this bag looks. I could just get every single color in this bag, which I probably will end up doing. Now this particular Lennox, the black, does clip close with a clip here. The grey and the sand, I believe, I know my sand has a hidden magnet which really does nothing, but this one does clip, which I do like, and it does stay clipped for when the bag is being worn or moved around. It doesn't come undone, so that's a really nice feature. People say they want a zipper on here. I actually don't really care if they do, if they don't. I actually like it like this, but maybe I'm a little strange. Okay, I'm just going to try to move the camera up a little bit so you can see into the bag better, and I'll show you how I do have it packed. This is a very slouchy bag. It is leather, so it will slouch, and I love that. It doesn't bother me whatsoever. Even having to kind of pull it up like this to get into it, it does not bother me at all. I love how this tote handle does kind of come back and out of the way, so it doesn't really interfere with you getting into the bag at all, which is awesome. So here's what I have inside. As I said, I do not pack a lot, so this works perfect for me because it doesn't get super heavy or anything like that. There are several pockets on the inside. It's great organization. There are bottle pockets on each side, so one on each side that are insulated. There's a slip pocket at the, technically it's the front of the bag, that actually clips closed, and this is padded. It's a slightly padded pocket. There's a zip pocket back here, and then two elastic pockets, and then one of the elastic pockets has a little tiny pocket at the front of it, which is, I'm not quite sure what that's for, but I did put something in there today. And then there's a key hook thing here that's attached with a clip, so you can take the, you know, attach your keys on there. So I'll just show you what's in this zip pocket here. So in here I have two coin purses, one with a hairbrush and hair ties and such, and then another with some panty liners. They just go side by side, and this is a leather trimmed little pocket. This is a nylon zipper, but the hardware is still lovely. These two back pockets back here, I have a Y Pouch 30 in 1. These are very nice, roomy pockets. And then in this one here, I have a small set piece, which is my Mummy Made Kit thing. A hand sanitizer, which is a lavender, Dr. Bonner's lavender. And then a little pocket at the front here. It's kind of hard to show you in the bag, but it's right there. I actually have my clipper hook, just in case I wanted to clip this to a trolley. I actually forgot, I should have used this today. I hardly ever have it, so I thought I would try taking it with me, and then I end up losing it, so there you go. Alright, in the center of the bag I actually have two play packs, one for each of my girls, for their entertainment for when we had breakfast, and some candy down the bottom there that the cafe people gave us for free. In one of the bottle pockets I don't have anything, but in the other one I actually have, this is a Sunny Life insulated flask is what they're called, and I found this at a boutique in Terrigal yesterday, and it's supposed to keep everything cold and hot, and it's because it's, I think, triple insulated, triple lined with the wall. It's actually really, really cool. I had put ice and water in here since 9:30, and it's now almost, it's like past 4 o'clock, and this is still cold and there's still ice in there. So really, really good. I'll put the link for the company down the bottom in the description, so you guys can check that out. This is a smaller one. They do make larger ones as well. So that's out of those pockets. I'll just flip the bag around. So now we're actually, this is actually the front of the bag, and it's a long pocket that clips in the middle, so you can have two smaller pockets, which is actually pretty cool. I have it clipped in the middle. One side I have my Logan and Lenora change pad, and a little coin purse with some baggies inside, disposable baggies in case she poops or I need them for anything. And then the other side there are two size 5 nappies. I only take 2 because Clara is almost 3. She went through 1 today while we're out, but they rarely ever goes through 2. It's always good to have them just in case. So it's kind of a look inside of the bag there. It's a really, really nice organization. I love this. This is probably the only tote bag that I've ever found that works really, really well for me. So if you have any questions or comments, please pop them below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a Merry Christmas if I don't see you beforehand. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.